front of me is iPadAir 13 2026, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called Notifications right under Wallpaper 1. Now you need to scroll again and this time select an app from which you want to manage notifications, like for example Photos. Now use this switcher next to Allow Notifications. When it's green, that means that notifications are on. You can see all of those other notification settings for a chosen app and adjust them however you wish. If you want to disable notifications, use the same now green switcher and wait until it's gray. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!